everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica, and on today's video, we're going to be listening to cars drive by the house. No, yes, we're hearing them. I'm hearing them. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but I'm hearing them. Anyway, we're going to be unboxing my Ipsy original bag for September 2020. This is the bag. It is maroon on one side and yellow on the other side. I think it's cute. It's just a little bag here. That is what it looks like on the inside. There's a little card here that... oh my gosh! It actually has the items on it! That is amazing! Okay, cool. I know that some of the other bags, or at least recently here, Ipsy has not had the items on it, so I'm really, really happy that they actually have the items on the card this month. That is fantastic. So... the theme is good vibes, hashtag Ipsy good vibes. I did have one thing outside of the package, so I'm going to go ahead and start with that, or outside of the bag. It was in the envelope, but this is the item that was outside of the bag. This is the Derma E Advanced Peptides and Collagen Serum. So that is what the packaging looks like. And I'm going to read to you what the card says about it. This is the Derma E Advanced Peptides and Collagen Serum. Your skin will drink up this hydrating serum that leaves you looking dewy, glowy, and gorge. The silky formula is infused with a powerful blend of antioxidants and peptides to promote collagen growth for plumper, smoother skin and less visible fine lines. Tip: twice daily, massage 2 to 3 drops of this serum onto clean skin until absorbed. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out, see what it looks like. If we can see, it might just be a white tube. I don't know. We'll see here in a second. It is just a white tube. So there you go. I think I'm probably going to put this in my giveaway drawer. Honestly, I just have way too many serums, and I have a tendency to just use the ones I usually use anyway. I've been trying to do a better job of using some of the samples that I get in beauty boxes, but I just haven't been super successful at that. So let's get on to the next item. All right, let's see. This is on top. So this is the Professional. This is the Hydrate Primer. And I do have this actually, I think in a larger size, but this is just a wee little sample. Let's see if I can open it up. There it is. It's just literally a teeny tiny sample, but you know, that's okay. All right, so this is from Benefit, and it's the Benefit Cosmetics, the Professional Hydrate Primer. With your busy life, a good primer like this oil-free formula is key to a fresh, long-lasting look. It creates a barrier between your skin and your foundation to prevent oils from wearing down your makeup and hydrates your skin for up to 12 hours with hyaluronic acid and shea butter. Tip: dot this on your forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin and blend it out. A little goes a long way. All right, it says it's a deluxe sample. This is 0.1 fluid ounces. I don't think that's a deluxe sample, but it's definitely not a full size. It's a mini, definitely a mini. All right, what's this? This is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. This is just a little sample. I'm probably gonna put this in my giveaway drawer as well. Honestly, I just have way too many mascaras, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave this intact, and this is gonna go in my giveaway drawer. One of you guys will get it in the near future. But this is the Tarte Cosmetics Big Ego Mascara in black. Fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. We're here for it. This mascara coats lashes in ultra black pigments and gives them dramatic lift, length, and volume. And it even doubles as a conditioning lash treatment thanks to nourishing and moisturizing panthenol and babassu. I don't know. Tip: for extra volume and length, wiggle through your lashes in a zigzag motion. There you go. All right, what's next? 2 more items. Let's pull this out. Okay. So this is from Mael Beauty. I think it's Mael Beauty. And this is the Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lips in Berry. This creamy crown is about to be your new makeup MVP. Just swipe it on and go. The sheer berry tint goes on easy and builds up without any fuss. And the moisturizing formula? It feels ultra soft and cushiony on lips without being sticky or tacky. It's a win-win. Tip: swipe this on to give your lips a shot of plumping hydration. It's an instant lip refresh. So there you go. That's pretty cool. I like that. I think that might be the end. Oh no, I didn't get to pick this month. Yeah, they didn't have any selections. Anyway, all right. This is from Oritza. This is the Camo Shimmer Eyeshadow Palette. And for some reason, I feel like I've had this before and I might have decluttered it. It's sealed. I'm not going to open it, but I don't know if the camera will focus enough for you guys to see the shades there. Tilting it towards the lighting, maybe you can see. But it looks like it's kind of green and oranges. But I remember having something from Ipsy Beauty before, and I'm pretty sure I decluttered it. So I'm going to put this in the giveaway drawer as well. Actually, most of my items are giveaways today, in today's video. But this is the Ipsy Camo Shimmer Eyeshadow Palette. Say hello to the 4 camo-inspired eyeshadows that you'll want to wear everywhere this fall. Use the metallic green, gold, and bronze shades to give your eyes sheen and sparkle, and use the neutral matte shade to create depth and dimension. Tip, apply them with your finger or brush, wet or dry, depending on how bold you want to go. And this is a full size. It says this is $20. I don't know much about Ipsy, but that's tiny for $20. All right. Let's recap real quick. So I got the little quad, the Mael Beauty tinted lip, the serum from Derma E, the Professional Hydrate Primer, and the Tarte Cosmetics Big Ego Mascara in black. So all of these items I think are good. I think I'm going to only keep the Professional, and well, I'm going to keep the Professional. I think I'm going to keep the Mael Beauty. I'm going to double check to make sure I don't already have this, because I have a lot of lip products. If I don't already have this, I'm going to keep it. If I have it, it's going to go in my giveaway drawer as well. But I'm definitely going to go ahead and put the Ipsy eyeshadow, the serum, and the Big Ego mascara in my giveaway drawer. I am going to be doing some giveaways here in the very near future. So if you have not yet, go ahead and hit subscribe so you get, and hit the little bell so you get notified when I put up new videos. I'm going to be doing them as we're getting closer to the holiday season this year, like I did last year. I think if you were around since last December, I did 15 days of giveaways in December, from December 1st through the 15th. I might do that again, or I might just sprinkle them throughout, maybe do one a week or something like that through the end of the year. Maybe I'll do one a week for like 12 weeks or something. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys would think would be best. Day 1 through 15 of December, so like in between Thanksgiving and Christmas, or do you think it would be better to do like one a week for like 12 weeks or something? Let me know. I'd love to have your feedback. Anyway, that is it for my Ipsy original bag. If you like this video, go ahead, give me a thumbs up down below. If you have not yet and you would like to, go ahead and hit subscribe. Again, if you want to know when I'm getting or doing those giveaways in the coming weeks and months, go ahead and make sure you hit that bell as well. And if you have any comments, leave it in the comment section down below. Let me know what you guys think about the giveaways. Should I do all at once, or should I spread them out over several weeks? Let me know. I'd love to have your feedback. All right. That's going to be it for my Ipsy bag. I do like the bag as well. And I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye.